In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Minister of Guidance, Hajj and Endowments has paid a visit to Jowzjan province. Solang Highway reopens to passenger vehicles. An Israeli security cabinet approves plan to build 19 new settlement towns in the occupied West Bank. Welcome to today's news package. It's Monday, the 1st of Rajab al-Murajab, 1447, the 1st of Jadi, 1404, and the 22nd of December, 2025. The news details. Sheikh Nur Muhammad Saqib, the Minister of Guidance, Hajj and Endowments, met with local officials during his visit to Jowzjan province, emphasizing the provision of public welfare, addressing people's concerns, and delivering timely, high-standard religious and administrative services. The Minister of Guidance, Hajj and Endowments reports that Sheikh Saqib visited the Shalayli Martyr Shrine during this trip, prayed for the forgiveness of their soul, and inaugurated a mosque valued at more than 3,589,000 Afghanis within the compound of the Provincial Ulama Council. Sheikh Saqib stated that since the return of the Islamic Emirate, 220 mosque prayer niches have been constructed across the country from the Minister's Development and Endowment budget. Muhammad Ashraf Hakshanas, the spokesperson for the Minister of Public Benefits, states that Solang Highway has been reopened to passenger traffic vehicles following the efforts by Solang Preservation and Maintenance Directorate. Mr. Hakshanas further added that this new removal operation in high-risk areas are ongoing so that freight vehicles may resume travel as well. It's worth noting that the highway had been closed to traffic yesterday morning due to heavy snowfall. The news continuation. Dozens of officers from the Counter Narcotics Police have graduated from the training center of the Counter Narcotics Deputy Ministry at the Ministry of Interior after completing the professional courses in the drug detection and investigation. The Ministry of Interior states that the official at the ceremony urged the graduates to maintain a good conduct with the public and place piety and righteousness priorities in their lives. And finally, based on international media reports, Israel's security cabinet has approved the plan to build 19 new settlement towns in the occupied West Bank, a move that threatens the establishment of an independent Palestinian state. Bezalel Smotrich, Israel's finance minister, stated that the decision aims to prevent the creation of an independent Palestinian state. It is worth noting that Israel's settlement activities in the occupied West Bank are considered illegal under international law. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates have condemned the decision, describing it as a blatant violation of international regulation. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.